January 25th, 2012, I just came back from Conklin, Alberta, and the stuff that I found is amazing. I'm gonna leave you with some of the clips that I shot there. One thing I have to tell you, I need help. I need YouTube investigators, YouTubers to investigate what happened there. It's too much to cover for one person and only a few days. I'll see you at the end of the clips. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get together. Let's find the truth there, because the big question is, are we alone in the universe? Bye for now. This is Agustin. This is your show, Universe, Are We Alone? I just arrived about an hour and a half to the airport of Edmonton. I'm driving to the small community of Conklin, Alberta, for me to interview or try to find anybody that heard the Trumpets of God in the little community of Conklin, Alberta. The temperature is impressive. We are minus 35, and this is all I can see right now from my 2 hours drive. Snow, snow, snow. I also want to investigate a few other things, but I'll see you when I get found the first sign that says Laklavish is right there. As you can see it is Laklavish. I'm gonna turn to the left, and from there I should be I don't know, like an hour and a half to Conklin according with Google Maps. So we're investigating the strange noises that were heard in Conklin, Alberta. I'm finally here in Conklin, Alberta. I'm trying to investigate about the weird noises that were heard here on January 12th of 2012. Conklin, Alberta, and I'm here with Phyllis, yeah. Right? I just asked her about what happened the night of January 12th. She's one of the residents. We need to find what happened with this UFO, or possibly Trumpets of God, as some people call it. Phyllis, please tell me what's going on. Where are you from, Phyllis?
Well, I live on Christina Lake, Conklin, Alberta, and we just figured it was jets from the bombing range, but it sounds pretty close to the house, like they're right over our roof. But we go out to sea, and there's nothing. You can't see nothing out there, so you can't see anything with the human eye. But it sounds like the jets are right over our house.
Okay, so I'm here with Phyllis again, and I just gave her a hug. I just met her 2 minutes ago, but she was very wonderful to tell us what happened that night. Thank you, Phyllis. Okay. All right. She also gave me directions how to make it to Conklin. With Phyllis, right. She said the most strong part of the sounds of what we call the trumpets of God, or probably the sounds of a UFO, happened at Christina Lake Lodge, which is where I'm going. It's right there, as you can see. I hope you can see it, right? And we're gonna keep driving. This is a very, very isolated part. There's barely any traffic. I'm stopped in the middle of the road, and there's absolutely no traffic coming in or out. So let's see if I can make it there. I'm trying to talk to other people, but I don't see anybody to even just approach and say hi. Back, like that in the lake. Yeah. Thanks, my friend. So yeah, everybody is saying worldwide that there were UFOs and they were seeing different stuff. And I'm here in Christina Lake, or Conklin, Alberta, where people have divided opinions about what happened on the night of January 12th. Some of these fellows, some of these people say that the sounds were heard for a good 45 minutes. They are used to listen to the bombing place close. So tell me, what happened here? I mean, is it common? What's going on with what the internet sensation is talking about the Trumpets of God in Conklin, Alberta, or do you think it's something common? Can you give me your opinion?
I think it's common. I think it's just the rigs, releasing the pressure from the gas pipes, and it has a big noise.
Are you guys used to that noise already, or do you hear it all the time? Or
no, not really. Just probably when it's cold, but not all the time. It's not.
Just to finish the show today, I have to tell you that the people there are so used to these sounds. They are so used to the noises, the trumpets, the sounds. They actually really think there's an airport nearby. Really, I talked to one of the military pilots, or no, I don't know if he was a pilot, but definitely he is part of the help. I've run into him at the gas station, and he said that there's no way the Canadian Air Force, when they break the sound of the barrier of sound, will make a noise for no more than a couple seconds, or a few seconds, in other words. This lady, she said that the trumpets were heard for over 45 minutes. So there's more to find there. Hopefully we'll get together a bunch of YouTubers investigating the mysteries of Conklin, Alberta. I'll see you on Sunday with a new show.